Hello guys, I'm back with this question. Let's look at it. It's about fundamental theorem of calculus, and many of my classmates got it wrong as I talked about it, because they got wrong on 2 consecutive points. So let's look at the question. We're given graph of f, and we set g of x as the integration of f of x. And for the first question, we are asked about the derivative of g of x. So let's look for the g prime of x first. What does that equal to? According to our daily practice, we usually get f of x directly. This is basically true draft paper from my friends. All right, so is this correct? This must be wrong. So on our daily practices, we usually get the integration from a constant. Let's set it to 2x. But for here, what do we get? We get from 2 to 3x minus 1. So let's compare the differences. For the original daily cases, we usually put the x directly in here as we plug it in, right? And also, we usually use this x, find its derivative, which is x prime, which is 1, and plug it in here, which is 1, right? But is this really correct for this case? Of course no. For here, we got 3x minus 1. So the derivative is wrong, and the plugging in part is wrong. So let's go change it. G prime of x equals to 3, right? This is the derivative of 3x minus 1, and let's plug it in, which is 3x minus 1. So what is g prime at 1? Let's plug it in. G prime of 1 equals to 3 times f of 2, right? And look at the graph. What is here? The value at 2 is 2. So then that should be 3 times 2, which is 6. So we get g prime of at 1 is 6. So for the second question, it is asking for the local maximum of g. Think about it. Where can a maximum be on the graph? It is the critical points, right? And critical points usually make the derivative to be 0. And on the graph, we don't know, is it directly the graph of the derivative, right? Because for here, what we get is totally different from what we imagine according to our daily practices. So let's set the derivative to be 0 and solve this function. When 3f3x minus 1 equal to 0, can 3 be 0 if 3 times of f equals to 0? Of course, no, it's a constant, so let's remove it. I don't like it. This is gone, gone, gone. So what is left? f3x minus 1 equals to 0, right? So basically, we get back to the graph. Where is the 0 on the graph of f? At 3, right? Why? There's 3 here. This is 0. So then we can easily get 3x minus 1 equals to 0. No. Is this correct? Again, no. 2 of my friends got wrong here again. So let's remove it and write it again. 3x minus 1 equals to 3, because the original 0 is 3, 0 for here, right? So then 3x equals to 4. Then x equals to 4 over 3, right? So we got correct answers for both of them. For the first question, the answer is 6. For the second question, the answer is 4 over 3. Do you get these correct? Thank you.